In this video, I will show you how to add card to Chase Bank digital wallet. So from there, head over first to your Chase Bank and make sure to log in. You can use in here your username as well as password, or you can also use your Face ID in order to log in. Once you have logged in, you just need to head over to the next part, which is getting your stored credit card and choosing your card that you want to actually use in order to add it to your digital wallet. From in there, click on the Manage Account option. And then from in there, once you have clicked on the Manage Account, you just need to head over and then see the account that you have in here. Now here's our account that we're gonna use. Now from in there you can just swipe up until you can see the digital wallet option. The digital wallet will look like this. You can see all the digital wallet that you can add this card into. Just choose any digital wallet that you can see on your screen. Just choose one and then head over and then add the card that you have chosen and then just agree to the terms and condition in order to add it.